Hi, welcome DS Tech AutoCAD channel. So today I visit Sultan and Salami Trading, Mabella. So here washing, they doing services, many services available, car washing and polishing and also painting, tinkering, all work available here. Better prices, good quality, everything have a professional polishing available here. See professional polishing, see the result. They using car wax. The another section, Sultan painting workshop. So here many kinds of works they are doing for painting work, tinkering work, for also for touch-up paints and the carbon fiber changing and also the customization work. They do it from the professional polishing center and also more than 7 to 8 years they have a business in Oman. The street number Mabella 12 industrial area. They more than 20-25 employees they are working here, and also the under chases coating for everything in one places have a good customers. See the workshop is more crowded outside also see under cleaning